Welcome friends, Robert Song here. If you've been searching for homes along the 680 corridor, you already know what's out there. Now let me show you what you should be looking at here in Danville. Welcome to 456 Vanessa Way in exclusive Wendt Ranch. With over 4,300 square feet of Mediterranean architecture, the design standard reads more like a restoration hardware editorial than a real estate listing. The main level delivers a formal living room, formal dining room, gourmet kitchen with a full second-size dining area with an outdoor courtyard, family room, and a full bedroom and bathroom. On the second level, there's 4 bedrooms, which includes an attached in-law apartment. It features its own bedroom, bath, kitchenette, and living space. Outside, you'll find a backyard designed for entertaining instead of maintaining. This is a home scaled for family gatherings, not weekend yard work. 456 Vanessa Way gives you access to the top-tier Danville schools and the breathing room your family actually wants. Stop settling and see why the smart money chooses Wendt Ranch. I'm Robert Song, and as always, I look forward to seeing you here real soon.